2013 BMW 528i. It's got what we did on it. It did a resonator delete right there. And earlier in the year, we did a muffler delete with blue flame tips. There's the resonator we just took off. He wants it a little bit louder. And you put a downpipe with a high flow cat on it. So I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2004 BMW 525i. What we got, he's still working on it. I love projects, they never end. And we enjoy them. That's the whole point of having a project car. And this is one of his project cars. It's got a manifold converters right there. Then it true duals all the way back into the resonator. He wanted it not too loud, so we left the stock resonator. Then it goes 2.5 pipe all the way back, and we continued that 2.5 pipe into a double wall tip right there. Came out really nice. He's gonna paint it this summer. He's gonna paint it a nice matte like white, not the Alpine white no more, something different. So tell us what you guys think. What color should he paint it? He's gonna check in the comments. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment on all our videos because it helps us keep going and keeps our videos showing up and keep making more videos. Hope you guys like it. 2014 BMW 535i. Really nice car. Nice wheels too. All cars should have really nice wheels on them from the factory. BMW knows how to do that sometimes. It's got the factory converter there. Then it comes with a Y pipe there, and it duals out the back there. Then we did a mid resonator delete right there, which is over there. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Then we also did a muffler delete there and there, right there and right there. There's the two mufflers right there and right there. There's the resonator, dual in, dual out. We cut it all out. And like one guy says, we're a muffler shop, but we hate mufflers. Exactly. That's why we're a muffler shop. Anyways, there, and then we put some carbon fiber wrapped blue flame tips there and there. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for these tips. They run about 150, I think, something like that for the set, or 200, I'm not sure. Anyways, there it is. Like always, guys, please support us by subscribing, liking, and commenting on our videos, because it keeps us going and keeps us making more and more videos for you guys. The more happy you guys are, the more happy we are. 2005 BMW 545i V8. He's gonna drift this thing. So I said, okay. And he wants to piss off the neighbors. So we're like, as you guys can see, we can make it as loud as we can, and we did. There's the cats there, in there. Then it wires into a single there with 3-inch pipe all the way back, connecting to his existing 3-inch, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else when he just bought this car this morning at 8 o'clock. So as you guys can see, there it is. It has the M package bumper, but he doesn't want it. He's gonna drift it. He's gonna abuse the car, which I don't blame him. Let him have some fun with it. Look at them welds, boys. You guys talk about our welds, I swear. Anyways, we'll let it slide. Right, Tim? Let him slide. It's okay. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the two resonators that come on it. There's the big resonator that comes on it. So it comes with a total of 4. We cut it all off and made it beautiful. So it's basically straight piped all the way back. Oh, hell yeah. I know you guys never heard a BMW like this one. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. That's perfect. Not too loud. It won't drone too much inside. Nothing. Those tips look really nice. I like them. They fit that car. BMW 525i. It's not bad. Straight pipe. Again? What do you guys think? I like it. The sound decibels again? It peaked right at 100. That sounds really good for a BMW. There's everything we cut off, guys, again. Turbo. You can actually hear the turbo spooling up a little bit. Again? Let you guys hear on that? Yes? Yeah. I like it. There's sound decibels. Bro, it hit 120. Wow. That's awesome. Gotta back it out. BMW 545i. Straight pipe. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hear it whistle, you know, the spool. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. See you on the next one. BMW 535i turbo, and it's her brother in the Honda. So you get 2 for 1, guys. Let's see what the Beaver can do. That's awesome. I love the color of it. That's a really beautiful color. BMW 545i. Got M5 wheels on it. Still looks cool though. Those wheels look good on it. Lower. That was close.